Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be reviewing this portable spray tanning machine. This is from Dylan, a company from Amazon. So this is how the package came. So I'll go in and just open it so we can see what is inside of the box. So this is how it looks. When you open it, you get the case that the package came in. And this is how it looks inside. Inside we have the instruction. Then we have the charger right here. Next we have the machine. This is how it looks. Reads, make sure to place the machine in dry and ventilated place each time after use, never in the bathroom. 2. After use, the battery is on. When charging, the indicator light may be solid blue. This is battery protection period. As the battery has thermal protection program, it's normal after 10 to 15 minutes. The temperature of the battery drops, the indicator light flashing, the battery starts to charge. 3. After use, please clean the machine immediately. If it's not used for a long time, please turn on for a few minutes each month. 5. The machine cannot turn on during charging. We're going to put the charger in. Do this, and this is the charging port right here. So I'll go in and I'll just put the charger in, and I'm just going to plug it. This is how it looks when it is charging. So you can see the light is flashing once it is charging. Right here is where you would turn it on. So that's the button to turn it on, and you go like this and open it, and this is the tan lotion, or the premium spray tan solution. It is a dark blend. It says it is 15% DHA. To use for an even streak-free tan, ensure skin is clean, exfoliated, and free of any moisturizer. Step 2. Shake well before use. Allow approximately 50 ml for each full body spray. For best results, use as a vertical sweeping action. Do not overspray. Pay particular attention to dry skin, elbows, and knees while spraying lightly. Step 3. Skin may be washed after 4 hours. For a longer lasting darker tan, leave solution on skin for up to 6 hours. Shower and gently pat skin dry. Apply moisturizer daily after application to increase the skin life of the tan. Has all the ingredients and all that stuff on it, you all. So I'll go in and just open the package. Open it. Now I'm going to add a little of the tanning solution to the container. And guys, if you're doing this, you would put the amount you want to put in it, because if you're doing just your feet or your hands or your entire body, you would know the amount to put in it. You want to make sure the container is tightly corked, you all. Now we're going to do a demonstration on my hand, you all. So I think I should stand and do this. This is how my hand is looking before I start the demonstration. It is free of moisturizer and all that. So the instruction said, do it in a vertical sweeping action and do not overspray. This is how it looks when it is completely dried, and I tried not to overspray the area. And voila! You could do your entire body. Doing the entire body, you'd have to use approximately 50 milliliter of the tanning solution to ensure you have a full body coverage. The cordless and portable spray tan machine is great for home use, and it's super good to take along while you're on vacation. It's portable and convenient for use. No need to connect to no power supply, no hose, nor nothing. It can be used on the entire body. You can tan your entire body. So I'll leave the link to this cordless tanning machine in the description, guys. If you're interested, you can go and check it out. And it is from Dyson, and it's a store from Amazon. The price is actually $139 at the moment, and you can apply a 20% discount today. I don't know if it's still available when you guys gonna check it out, but it has a 20% discount. So I'll leave a link in the description to the tanning machine, to the spray solution, which is from Yo. So I'll leave all the link in the description, guys, so you can go and check it out. Thank you guys for watching. As always, I do appreciate you all. Until next time, bye guys. Bye.